I'm getting the thumbs up, and we're off. Oh, this is gonna be good. I could see this coming. Oh boy. Is it possible we're going to get a tie? Oh, looks like the Masters truck is pulling ahead here a little bit. Yep, he's gaining. I don't know, I thought we were going to be doing this the second time, but it looks like the Masters truck is pulling ahead. Well, this might be a fight to the finish. I saw George stall it in Honesdale. Alright. Looks like we got a gracious loser. How about a big round of applause for our president, Steve Sternovich.